Dough and pastry blenders are essential tools for any home baker or professional pastry chef. There are many products available to choose dough and pastry blenders, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best dough and pastry blenders from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Dough Blender and Cutter. The OXO Good Grips Dough Blender and Cutter features stainless steel blades that easily cut butter and shortening into dry ingredients, providing you with a more consistent dough. The broad, soft, non-slip handle absorbs pressure, making the task less tiring. Its dishwasher-safe attribute makes cleaning up a breeze, allowing you more time to do the things you love. Number 2. Zule Kitchen Dough Blender Top Professional. The Zule Kitchen Dough Blender is an essential tool for every baker, designed with 5 thick, stainless steel wire blades to make blending, cutting, or mixing ingredients quicker, with minimal pressure required. Its anti-slip, thick rubber handle offers a soft grip and comfortable baking experience. The blender is made of top-quality stainless steel construction, rust and corrosion resistant, and bolts are strongly secured to prevent it from falling apart. It is dishwasher safe, and its uses are not limited to just cutting butter into flour, but also can be used as an avocado masher, a cookie crumbler, or a vegetable and fruit chopper. Number 3. Spring Chef Dough Blender and Pastry Cutter Tool. Make baking a breeze with the Spring Chef Dough Blender and Pastry Cutter. The dough blender expertly combines ingredients, while the pastry cutter measures, cuts and transfers dough with ease. The pastry scraper ensures equal portion sizes with its handy measurement markings. These versatile baking tools can also be used for chopping fruits and vegetables, scooping chopped ingredients, or smoothing frosting on cakes. Number 4. Hewlison Stainless Steel Biscuit Cutter Set. The Hewlison Stainless Steel Pastry Scraper and Dough Blender Set comes with 3 pieces that are rust-proof, dishwasher-safe, and ideal for making a variety of baked goods. The non-slip design with an ergonomic rubber grip helps reduce hand and wrist fatigue, while accurate measurements ensure consistent results. The curved design of the pastry blender quickly incorporates butter into flour, while the biscuit cutter set includes 5 sizes for various needs. This set is perfect for both professional bakers and beginners, and can be used to make a variety of baked goods. Number 5. Spring Chef XL Dough Blender Tool for Baking. Spring Chef Blender is a top-quality pastry tool ideal for blending cold butter into flour or sugar for delicious baked goods. With its sturdy metal blades, it ensures better texture and taste in biscuits, pie crusts, and more. The comfortable handle reduces hand fatigue, making it easier to use than traditional methods. Besides cutting butter, it can also chop fruits, mash baby food, and more. Additionally, it is dishwasher.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.